Hello, my fellow traders. So this is me again, and I'm going to talk about markets today. Well, this is my last web for today. Of course, not kind of last one, but just for today. So I just want to talk about the main currency pairs I'm trading. Let's see how much time we will have. Okay, so basically, I don't know what about you guys, but for me it was quite a good day finally. And unfortunately, I didn't catch any big moves as I've expected, but well, still I caught something, so it wasn't that bad. So, okay. So I'm on 4-hour chart at the moment. As we can see, it's Euro Yen. The price might go further up in case if it will break through 116.500. So we have to watch a price action around this area here, 116.500. So in case of a bounce, we can try to sell it towards this area roughly at 112.75. Okay, so in case if you are looking for a buy entry, what I would suggest you to do is to wait till the price will close above this level and then place a limit order 116,500. So placing a limit order with a target around here, so which is 119.0 and a stop loss just below this level at 115.54. So it will be a trend, like short-term trend continuation entry. Okay, so let's go further. What do we have there? All right, so it's EuroCAD. EuroCAD has bounced off this level here. As I told you before, it might be a very good selling opportunity. What we do have here now is that the price actually broken through this balance level at 1.4435. Okay, so what is possible is that we will have a wick towards this area one more time, at least 1.4425, no, 235. Well, you know what, as I do like rounded numbers, 225. So basically 4425. I would put it here. Well, let's call it a magic number. Basically, if you want me to talk about it, I can do it also. So just write me the comment or write me an email or message or whatever you prefer. Okay, so that's what I see here at the moment. So we can try to catch a move at 1.44250. And a potential first target is at 1.43. Okay, let's go further. It's pound yen. Pound yen, it does look like it's going down. So I'm not trading pound yen by myself. I do trade pound dollar. So I'll probably make some decision on pound dollar a bit later on when we'll get there. Probably I'm going to sell it. But if you trade this one, then I would recommend to place a limit order at 138.25, 138.25, and potential target is 130.75. To be honest, it's a very, very good opportunity to sell here. Okay, so let's go further. It's Aussie yen. Again, what we can see here, we are at the very strong reversal area at the moment, and potentially we can go down during the Asian session, then continue during European and American overlap possibly. So what I would suggest you to do is to wait till this day is going to close and then place a limit order using a daily chart, like in the middle of the body of today, and of today's body, and then the potential target is 74.75. Stop loss just above this area somewhere. So Because of the target, well, I would recommend not to use lots of leverage. So expect to make more pips than to risk more money. So here, in this situation. All right, let's go further. It's dollar CAD. Well, basically it turned around at this level here, bounced back. So those of you who are trading dollar CAD, they were having a very good possibility here. We did have a very good selling opportunity around this area. That was a selling signal confirmation, middle of the confirmation entrance, just above this level. It was the stop loss, so I mean 1.30909, and the potential target is, the first one is 1.284, and then the price might go towards 1.268. We'll see what is going to happen next. So basically, using a classic technical analysis, we can place a line somewhere here. As we can see, this trend line is broken down at the moment. So I'm not going too deep into history, but still might be enough to make some money. Okay, here. So basically, as you can see, my view hasn't changed at all at the moment. So what I'm expecting to do, I want to sell it. What I do expect at the moment, that this level will be triggered at least 77, possibly 78 or 77.50. So I might be wrong, to be honest, and the price is possibly going to go down now from here. But what I will do, I will try to so I will try to sell it around 77. We might have some kind of a wick towards here. All right. So selling, the target, the main one is 71.300, the first one 74.200. Frankie. All right. So, well, we are at quite a strong level, which is 98.65. I would place it 98.50 is fine. 50 or 75, you know, to use these 25 pips. All right, so 98.50, the price is below this level. It has been triggered. We might have another kind of swing towards this area at 0.971, and that's the area where I'm going to buy it with a target above 1. All right, so that's what I want to do, and I really hope that I'll be able to do it. Okay, so I've been trying to buy it on its lows, but well, it didn't happen for me. So finally, I'm not on the market with this one. Okay, let me remove them all from here. We don't need it. Okay, fine. Okay, so basically what is possible is that price will continue its move towards here, and then we'll try to kind of buy it around this area. It's also possible that, well, not like this, but this level will be triggered here. So another way to buy is here. So I would place a few levels around it, around the area. So this is the first one, and this is the second one where I'm going to try kind of buying it. So that's about it. CAD yen. The price is going down at the moment. Well, I mean the major trend. Currently on 4-hour chart, the price is going up. We do have a congestion here and potentially reversal zone. So basically, as I can see, well, this week didn't actually trigger a level here, which is, let me tell you the right one, 80.819. So it hasn't been triggered yet. I guess it will. So when it will be a very good place to, well, again, to wait for a reversal pattern. So if we'll have it, then we might sell it there. All right, so we also must know that this level has already broken and triggered one more time after it was broken. So the continuation of the up movement is quite possible as well. So I would say this is the major level at the moment. And the next one is going, so it's a congestion, which I've marked with a gray rectangle. So the next level for a selling will be around this area. So I would mention this, I will draw this kind of rectangle as a possible reversal zone. So as far as I can see it. So, okay, so let's see what is going to happen. Don't see any particular signals at the moment. So Aussie, New Zealand, all right, so that's the nice one. We did have a selling opportunity here. The price did trigger the middle of this body. So those of you who are trying to sell it using a limit order, which is my approach actually, were good traders, good on you guys. So basically you did it. And what we do now, we do wait for a kind of down move here. So we might have some kind of congestion, you know, and the price might not go in our direction straight away, but at least we did try our best and we took a better price. Okay. So selling here, we have to wait till this area here at 1.040 will be broken. And then the price will lead to 1.0325 and lower than that. Okay, so now Aussie. All right, I do have European session levels here. I haven't changed them yet. Well, I've kind of told you that they are not going to change a lot due to kind of lack of movement during the European session here. I've tried to sell it with no luck, to be honest. Well, my limit order hadn't been reached. So, okay. 7675 was my order. All right, it hasn't been reached. All right, so what I do expect it to go down. We've triggered this high here, which is very good. So it might be a very good signal, to be honest. And at the well, the problem is that American session is going to kind of close in about, let's say, 3.5 hours, a bit more than that. And the problem is that when it will be closed, well, the market won't move. It's like most likely nowhere. And then we have Asian session open. So basically that's the time to enter the market, basically. So I wouldn't do anything at the moment. And I would enter the market during the Asian session if you want to trade it now, because it's kind of a very good opportunity to sell here. Or I would wait till like, let's say about 1 hour after the Asian session will open. Not the Australian one, but not the Sydney, but Tokyo. All right, so let's go further. Euro pound, well, it was a very good opportunity to buy here today. Okay, I don't know why I have decided not to trade it, but if we'll go back to my European session lines, they have been kind of known before they've been triggered. So I knew these kind of areas here before. I also use option levels. So, okay, and what we do have here is that the last kind of European resistance line was broken. So basically we do have a bounce here, a short-term bounce, as you can see. So the possibility of up movement continuation are quite possible, is quite possible. So that's something what I do expect. Okay, I think that this area must be triggered one more time at 0.8360. So I would suggest you to wait till the day will be closed and then see what kind of patterns we'll see there, and then try to kind of catch a better price using a smaller time frames. Okay, so it's euro dollar at the moment. So the price is almost, well, yes, as we can see, we do have a historical kind of resistance here. So it's not too back to history. It's 15 minutes. Let me switch to 4-hour chart. It will give us a better picture. So yes, as we can see, so we do have a strong kind of, I would say it's a midterm, you know, so it's the strongest one is here, of course, for now. And the third one is around this area, of course, in case if the price will rapidly go up. So, okay, so that's something what is possibly going to happen. So we might have a reversal signal around this area, wait till the end of this day. Then in case if it will be broken, the next reversal area is this one. It's 1.1180. The next one is here. Well, of course, it can reverse anywhere. We just must look at price action, and then we must kind of compare the signals we have from price action with the current situation on the market, what kind of levels or congestions or accumulations, distributions we have, where is volume, where are option levels or something like this. Okay, so that's something what we are looking for. All right, pound dollar, well, something what I wanted to sell here today. So basically what it is, well, I've sold it by its best price, to be honest. But what I didn't like, let me show you on 15-minute chart. Okay, so basically I sold it around this area here, and I didn't like this price action. So basically when we were like here, so as you can see, this area, the potential reversal area has been triggered, and the price action has been showing us a reversal signals here. So basically I have closed one of the, well, let's say 2/3 of my position, and I have closed it on just here, so with this candle. So I already saw that something might go wrong for me. So I closed 2/3 of my position, and then I've trailed another one till this level here at 1.3182. So it does look like the price is going to continue its down movement. So let me show you tomorrow in the morning, well, after the Asian session will be finished, I will show you which levels I would use to enter it short. So let's see what is going to happen. We might have a correctional move towards up during the Asian session. Okay. Kiwi is going down. I do want to sell it. We do have, well, if we'll switch back, I don't want to do it, but if we'll switch to like 5 minutes, we'll be able to see a triangle here, breaking through which will lead us towards at least this level here, 0.72648. So it might happen even now, and it's New Zealand dollar. So during Asian session, it might happen quite easily. What I will do, I will not do anything today. I will wait till tomorrow, and then I will try to catch a better price. In case if I'm right and the price will continue its down movement, I will try to catch a better price using a limit order. All right, so let's go further. It's dollar yen. Nice one. We are at the resistance area, one of the resistance levels here, so which is 104.328. The price did show us a possible reversal. I would say it's kind of Well, if you are a wave trader, then it's like first, second, and it might be a third wave. So also it might be a kind of triggering of the resistance area and triggering all the stop losses which have been above this area here, which is 104.71. So the price did go down. Well, it did show us a false breakout of this level here. So it might be a reversal and the price will continue its up movement, but it also can be like a first try, I would say. I would call it. I'm sure that most of you do understand it. Do understand what I'm talking about? Okay, guys, so let's go further. So Mexican, I still want to sell it. Basically, I have sold it around this area here with this candle. So I did have a limit order around here. It has been triggered with this candle. So I did catch the whole move here. What I didn't like is that with these two candles, one and second one, basically we did have a false breakout of these two levels here. So, and I've closed my position. So I've decided that in case if we have it, so we might go back towards this level here, which is kind of low of this one, or we possibly are going to trigger this level here one more time, and then I'll be able to sell it. I'm not doing it because the trading day for me is nearly finished. So I do kind of follow my approach in single way wise and kind of position wise, trading wise, system wise, etc. So I just follow what I do all the time. Okay, so that's what I see here. So it might be a good selling opportunity tomorrow. So we'll see. It does look quite dangerous for those of you who are trading classical technical analysis patterns. Those of you, some of you might probably already seen this possible head and shoulders pattern. So the price might go further towards 18.46495, and then it will reverse down from here. So that's what might happen. So in case if it will go further up, then it means only one thing, that we'll have a better opportunity to sell it. All right, so let's go further. It's gold. It's the last one. All right, so what it is, it's a 15 minutes chart. Basically, I have been trying to sell it. I've made some pips here, so some cents, I would say cents and bucks here. So the thing is that I really want to buy it, but I want to buy it here somewhere at 1334 area. I have been expecting that this level here will trigger this low at least. Well, it didn't happen, unfortunately, and the price did go further up. So I've kind of, at this time, I haven't been kind of following my stop, but I was following my take profit. So it's like, you know, you can trail your stop loss or you can trail your take profit. So it's all up to you, I would say. Okay, guys, so that's about it about the market today. So what I suggest you to do, if you are not clear of what is going on, just don't trade it. Don't worry, tomorrow will be another day, and the market is giving us opportunities every single day. So don't worry. You will never miss a trade. I mean, don't worry, there will be another one tomorrow. Okay, guys, have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow at